नमस्कार, मैं हूँ स्वागता लाहिरी और आप देख रहे हैं पढ़ेगा इंडिया। क्या आप जानते हैं भारत में करीब 10 से 15% कपल्स में इनफर्टिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम पाई जाती है। लड़कियों में इनफर्टिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम पीसीओएस, एंडोमेट्रियोसिस और फैलोपियन ट्यूब में ब्लॉकेज से होती है। सिर्फ लड़कियां ही नहीं, लड़कों में भी इनफर्टिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम होती है। हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस और स्पर्म काउंट की कमी के कारण लड़कों में भी इनफर्टिलिटी की प्रॉब्लम पाई जाती है। इस प्रॉब्लम को दूर करने के लिए डॉक्टरों द्वारा लगातार प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं। इसी बीच न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल ब्रांड डेम हेल्थ केयर कुछ ऐसे मल्टीविटामिन्स लाए हैं जो महिला और पुरुष दोनों के लिए फायदेमंद है। तो आइए इस बारे में और जानते हैं डेम हेल्थ केयर के को-फाउंडर साहिल अग्रवाल से।
This field for the past 25 years, and while consulting, he's consulted over thousands of patients so far, and while consulting these patients he realized that there is a huge gap where in the amount of awareness which patients have about the problems that they're going through. Women from adolescence all the way up to menopause, they don't know about which problem they're facing, और बहुत बार जो प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं उनका क्या ट्रीटमेंट होना चाहिए, क्या सोल्यूशन होना चाहिए, ये अवेयरनेस उनको नहीं है, and which is the reason why the idea of starting Dame Health came about. So the two co-founders are me and my father, Dr. Rajiv Agarwal, where he does most of the formulation of the brand and I look at more of the expansion and the business aspect of it. The concept of Dame Health started that India as a country is growing very rapidly, and भले ही इंडिया बहुत जल्दी बढ़ रही है लेकिन इंडिया में जो हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो भी संग में बढ़ रहे हैं। आए दिन आप सुनते रहते हैं कि किसी को PCOS की प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को कैंसर की बीमारी है, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विच स्टार्ट की अवेयरनेस नहीं है। आज फॉर एग्जाम्पल द मेन ethos of our brand is that we provide nutraceutical supplements from menstruation to menopause। 18 साल की उम्र से लेके 70-80 साल की उम्र तक भी लोग हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट्स खा सकते हैं। वी आर न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स, सो यू डोंट रिक्वायर एनी प्रिस्क्रिप्शन टू कंज्यूम आवर प्रोडक्ट्स। हम लोग द पॉइंट ऑफ मेकिंग आवर प्रोडक्ट्स न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ फार्मास्यूटिकल इज दैट आज as India grows and as we are moving more towards an educated audience, आज हम लोग के हाथ में होना चाहिए to improve our health. It is हम लोग की हेल्थ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हमारी है, डॉक्टर की नहीं है, which is why today we are giving the patients, the consumers the right to do something about their health, to improve their health and to become more aware about their health. आज अगर अवेयरनेस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप, अवेयर होने पर ही हम लोग राइट चॉइसेस ले सकते हैं, विदाउट दैट इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट। तो डेम हेल्थ का मेन यही मानना है कि आज हम लोग अवेयरनेस देते हैं कि आज मेंस्ट्रुएशन के टाइम पे हैवी पीरियड फ्लो या तो बहुत हैवी ब्लीडिंग हो सकती है, मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे हॉट फ्लैशेस हो सकते हैं, नाइट स्वेट्स हो सकते हैं। ये सब जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, ये प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत महिलाओं को फेस करनी पड़ती है, बट उन्हें मालूम नहीं है कि इसका कोई सोल्यूशन भी है। ये लोग बिकॉज क्या है कि आज जैसी हम लोग की सोसाइटी है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली women's health is primarily focused only during pregnancy। प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे एवरीबडी बिलीव्स कि अच्छा विमेन की हेल्थ को बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, सारा टेंशन इज ऑन द मदर की अच्छा उनका ठीक से खाया कि नहीं खाया, ठीक से सोए कि नहीं सोए। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट्स अ वेरी सैड स्टेट कि मेंस्ट्रुएशन के टाइम पे, मेनोपॉज के टाइम पे कोई इतना ध्यान नहीं देता है। एंड आज जैसे हाउ आवर मदर्स आर, हाउ एवरी मदर इज, दे फोकस मोर ऑन बच्चे के हेल्थ, हस्बैंड के हेल्थ, और कभी कभी उनकी खुद की हेल्थ इसकी वजह से कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जाती है। Now that is the main concept कि आज the first step to making this awareness is to stop the compromise on health and to get more aware of the problems that we are facing now, which is why with Dame Health we have launched a very unique range of products. The products are launched after years and years of research by doctors and nutritionists. They have gone through thousands of customers to understand कि क्या problem है, क्या need है, किस इंग्रेडिएंट को फॉर्मुलेट करने से विल गिव द बेस्ट एंड मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ पोटेंसी इन आवर प्रोडक्ट्स इज व्हाट वी हैव मेड इन आवर रेंज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स हियर। द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज टू मेंटेन द सेफ्टी बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर ओवर द काउंटर, विच मीन्स दैट वी हैव मेड दिस प्रोडक्ट्स सो सेफ कि आदमी आंख बंद करके प्रोडक्ट खा सकते हैं विदाउट द रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ द डॉक्टर, बिकॉज दिस प्रोडक्ट्स आर ऑलरेडी फॉर्मुलेटेड बाय डॉक्टर्स। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू टेक यू थ्रू सम ऑफ द रेंज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट वी हैव टू टेल यू मोर अबाउट देम। वी हैव गॉट Optinatal. Optinatal is our preconception product for women. The concept here is that in the US as well, 95% of women before conceiving, before बच्चा होने से पहले वो लोग preconception product लेते हैं। preconception product क्या है? आज जब एक मदर अपने बच्चे की केयर करती है आफ्टर प्रेगनेंसी, तब तो एकदम ठीक से ख्याल रखते हैं कि वो सो रहा है ना ठीक से, वो खा रहा है ना ठीक से। बट ये केयर खाली प्रेगनेंसी के बाद नहीं, केयर प्रेगनेंसी और प्रेगनेंसी के पहले बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। टुडे अ मदर डज नॉट बिकम अ मदर आफ्टर दे आर प्रेग्नेंट, दे बिकम अ मदर वे बिफोर दे आर प्रेग्नेंट। दैट इज वेयर द ट्रू केयर स्टार्ट्स। अब ये कैसे करते हैं? आज जब आप कंसीव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप और लाइक यू एंड योर पार्टनर, इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपके बॉडी में जो रिक्वायर्ड इंग्रेडिएंट्स है उसकी डेफिशिएंसी नहीं हो। फॉलिक एसिड, आयरन, विटामिन डी, विटामिन बीज, जिंक, मैग्नीशियम, ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स की अगर आपके बॉडी में डेफिशिएंसी होती है तब ये खाली आपकी ही हेल्थ पे नहीं बट आपके बच्चे के भी हेल्थ पे भी बहुत इफेक्ट करता है। आज व्हेन यू नो, बट द क्वेश्चन दैट अराइजेस इज दैट कि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने तो कभी ऐसे कोई सप्लीमेंट्स लिए नहीं और मैं तो एकदम ठीक हूँ, तो व्हाई शुड आई टेक एनी सप्लीमेंट्स लाइक दिस, उसके बिना भी मेरा काम चल रहा है। अब इसमें क्या है कि नंबर वन इज, आप जो ऑरेंज 25 साल पहले खाए थे और आप जो ऑरेंज आज खाते हैं, उन दोनों में विटामिन सी की जो मात्रा है उसमें बहुत ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है। बिकॉज ऑफ द अमाउंट ऑफ अडल्ट्रेशन इन आवर प्रोडक्ट्स, द अमाउंट ऑफ विटामिन दैट वी शुड बी गेटिंग इन आवर डाइट वो आजकल नहीं प्रेजेंट है। आई एम श्योर दैट एवरीबडी इज नाउ सीइंग food farmer who is doing a very good job with label पड़ेगा इंडिया to show that जो हम लोग को जिस टाइप की मार्केटिंग हुई है about the products, हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट्स एक्चुअली उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं जितने हम लोग सोचते हैं हम लोग के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू टेक सप्लीमेंट्स टू गेट द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन एंड टू मेक श्योर कि जब आप रेडी है तब आपकी बॉडी भी रेडी है फॉर यू टू कंसीव। सो विच इज़ व्हाई वी हैव गॉट ऑप्टिनेटल। ऑप्टिनेटल में 21 ऐसे इंग्रेडिएंट हैं विच आर टेलर मेड स्पेशली फॉर women who are trying to conceive. इसमें ये ingredients make sure कि when you are providing nutrition for two people, you and your baby, and it helps you get ready for pregnancy and make sure that you do not have any sort of side effects or any sort of complications during your pregnancy. For example, if you're deficient, miscarriages, preterm birth, low birth weight of the baby, बच्चे की वेट नहीं बढ़ रही है, बच्चे की हाइट नहीं बढ़ रही है, एज वी हैव बीन मार्केटेड कि अच्छा बाद में जितने भी आप सप्लीमेंट ड्रिंक्स पिला लो बच्चे की हाइट नहीं बढ़ती, बट दैट इज समथिंग विच कैन नॉट बी पॉसिबल एंड इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द वेरी वेरी ऑनसेट ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. If that time the right nutrition is not given, that is the time when the brain, the eyes, the spinal cord development is happening, and that is the time when the baby needs the most amount of nutrition, and that is where we usually fall short. So this is for preconception. Similarly, for pregnancy, we have optinatal DHA. Researchers around the world have researched that DHA is very very important for the baby. बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है बच्चे के लिए. जब वो माँ की पेट में है तब at that time brain development के लिए, spinal cord development के लिए DHA is very important, which is why we got these targeted nutrition. Preconception and pregnancy के लिए दो अलग प्रोडक्ट है to make sure that the mother is always nutrient sufficient. Followed by that, आज ये हम लोग की सोसाइटी में अगेन अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर इज दिस नोशन दैट infertility rate is rising very rapidly in India at the moment because of many factors, as we mentioned, that it can be lifestyle, it can be due to age, it can be due to smoking, drinking, or in general predisposition genetic जो हम लोग का हो सकता है. क्या है कि we usually put all the blame on women कि अच्छा कंसीव नहीं हुआ. इंडिया में तो एक्चुअली the state is this that if the couple doesn't have a male, the couple doesn't have a son, then even the mothers are actually blamed for it. In that case, infertility is something which is both men and women. It's a 50-50 thing. Today, if the wife is fertile but the male is not fertile, then again that can lead to complications in pregnancy and fertility, which is the reason why we have launched Optimal. This is a revolutionary product, India's first preconception product made with full potency. It has ginseng, folate, vitamin D, zinc जैसे ऐसे potent ingredients हैं which improve the sperm count, sperm quality and sperm motility of the husband, so that whenever they want to become a father, they are ready to become so. Lot of the times which you would see that people who are in their age of 30s, they are suffering from low energy levels. Low energy levels are also a sign of folic acid deficiency, and folic acid deficiency has led to a deterioration in sperm quality and sperm count, which is the reason why it's very important for men in that range to actually be nutrient sufficient. The next product is that today lot of people suffer from sleep issues. रात को सो रहे हैं बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा फ़ोन रख देना चाहिए आफ्टर 11-11:30. फ़ोन रख दिए हम लोग तभी भी नींद ही नहीं आ रही है. बुक पढ़ लिए, बुक पढ़ने से नींद नहीं आ रही है. वी आर काउंटिंग शीप, वी आर डूइंग सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ थिंग्स टू फॉल asleep and we are not being able to fall asleep. Number 1. Number 2, people who are falling asleep, 7-8 hours they're sleeping, सुबह उठ रहे तभी भी I'm feeling very tired, I'm feeling कि लग रहा है सोए नहीं है. These things are happening because of poor sleep quality and lot of sleep apnea. It's the reason why we have introduced melatonin sleep gummies. This is very very safe, 100% safe. It has melatonin, ashwagandha, chamomile जैसे ingredients हैं which helps you relax the body and helps you put you to sleep naturally. You have one gummy. It's a very tasty gummy. You have this 30 to 40 minutes before you want to sleep, and you get a very peaceful sleep. 8-9 hours of sleep. Even if you sleep for 5 hours, you do not have a difficulty in waking up the next morning, which is the best part about this formulation. And the great part is that it is number one non-drowsy. Whatever time you wake up refreshed. आपको उठने के बाद लगता और वो नींद जो घेल आती है वो घेल नहीं आएगी आपको ये प्रोडक्ट खाने से. एंड नंबर 2 इज दैट दिस इज नॉन हैबिट फॉर्मेट. इफ यू हैव दिस फॉर 5 days, 6th day if you stop this, you'll be like अच्छा शायद अब तो आदत पड़ गई है मुझे इसकी. 6th day में अगर खाऊंगा तो ऐसा मतलब will I not be able to fall asleep? Nothing like this. This is meant to regulate your sleep cycle so that your sleep cycle is improved. Once your sleep cycle is improved, for example आज आप 11:30 बजे सो रहे हैं या 12 बजे सो रहे हैं and you want to sleep at 10 because you have to wake up early in the morning usually because of some work you have. एक दिन में it will be very difficult for you to improve the sleep cycle. It's a slow process. 7, 8, 10 days में you improve your sleep cycle. Once you improve your sleep cycle, you can stop having the melatonin gummies and your sleep cycle will automatically be improved.
One question.
Please.
Melatonin produces sleep, right?
Yes.
In person. So you are saying there is no side effect.
Absolutely not. So the concept behind this is that actually melatonin is a sleep hormone which our body naturally secretes. This is not something which we are giving outside से. Melatonin is basically the brain's way of understanding कि अब सोने का टाइम आ गया है. अब सपोजिंग जिनकी स्लीप इश्यूज हो रही है, the melatonin secretion is either not happening properly, so your body is not being able to understand that it should be sleeping. टुडे जब बोलते हैं कि अच्छा आप लाइट बंद कर लीजिए आपको सोने में ईजी होगी, ऑब्वियसली अगर आप इतना लाइट जला के रखेंगे तो आपकी नींद यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू स्लीप. व्हाई? बिकॉज द मोमेंट एवरीथिंग इज लिट your body is not secreting melatonin.
Right.
So your body doesn't know it's time to sleep.
Right.
Once it's dark, your body knows it's time to sleep. Sometimes because the secretion is not happening properly, which is why we get melatonin supplements, so that the body knows that अच्छा अब सोने का टाइम आ गया है, I am going to sleep now.
Okay. And the product that you said कि the preconception and the post-conception,
Yes.
कोई इसमें ऐसे allergic reaction या ऐसे कुछ होने के chances है?
Absolutely not. So this is again, the products are very carefully formulated because for example today some ingredients might trigger some other ingredients, which is why we have put in a lot of time and effort to choose ingredients. For example, you will never see iron and calcium in the same formulation of ours. Reason being is that iron and calcium interact with each other and they are not good to be put in the same product, which is why we've got two different products, one for calcium which is separate and iron added in our preconception multivitamins to make sure that these products are working very well and have no side effects. Each product of ours has been used by 15,000 customers across the country. Our company is 3 years old. Our company has been endorsed and our products are recommended by hundreds of gynecologists across the country, from Bangalore to Bombay to Kolkata to Chennai to Mysore. All of these places our products are recommended to patients, so we can consume our products with confidence without having any issue with side effects.
What are the dosage?
So the dosage is 1 tablet per day and 1 gummy per day. That is the dosage.
That is the basic dosage.
This is the basic dosage. So the concept behind it is that all of our products are US FDA, FSSAI, ISO and GMP approved. Our products we work with the FSSAI guidelines to make sure that every ingredient that is present in the required dosage as mentioned by the FSSAI, so that you can never overdose on our products. If you have 1 or even if you have 2, you're not supposed to have 2, you're supposed to have the required dosage of 1, but in case you ever go beyond the dosage, there are no side effects to have till you do not consume 10-15 of it, which you should not.
So is it necessary कि जो conception का pills ले रहे हैं वो gummies भी उनको लेना पड़े रात में?
Yes, so actually we focus more on the type of problem which you have. So we focus that depending on what type of problem you are having, you have products for that instead of having all the products together. Supposing you are in your conception stage, that time you are having optimally. Now you are having trouble sleeping. That is the time you should have melatonin with it. All our products work very well in tandem with each other, so you can consume our products as a mix and match. There is no problem with that. But you do not need to have all products together if you're not having this specific problem which you need to. The last product which I want to talk about, which is a very very revolutionary product which we've come out with, is our pure plant protein. This is the sample pack of it. We've got a 500 gram pack as well.
Okay.
This product is a revolutionary product and this is the cleanest plant protein in India, specifically made for men and women. This product is made with 100% natural ingredients. It is made from peas, chana, and the best part is that number one, it has zero added sugar, no added sugar at all. We have used monk fruit as which is world's best, safest sweetener. The good part about it is that it has a zero glycemic index, which means that today, if you have this protein, when it goes into your body, your blood sugar levels do not spike at all. So anybody who is diabetic, anybody who is pregnant में gestational diabetes is something which is a huge issue. So it's the reason why we have made this product so that it does not affect your blood sugar levels at all. You have it and you can check your blood glucose levels. It is our guarantee to you that your blood glucose will not spike. Even better, today a lot of people who have protein, the one notion which people have about protein is that Sahil, I don't want to bulk up. I don't need to lift 200, 300 kgs of weight, so why should I have protein? The thing is that protein is not just for muscle building. Yes, muscle building is one aspect of protein which is very important, but protein is in every cell of ours. Our hair, our skin, our nails, everything is made of protein. If we don't have the right amount of protein, but even, if I'm talking about muscle building specifically, today you see all these celebrities. You see Kriti Sanon, you see Shilpa Shetty, all of them are looking so, Shilpa Shetty looks so prim and proper even at the age of 50. Right. I bet you she works out at least 5 days a week for strength training and she consumes protein. How does protein help? Today protein helps in in preventing muscle loss. So that when you are 50, when you are 60, you're not looking very weak, you're not looking very, as we call suklawa basically. Right. You look very full and healthy because protein is providing the energy to you to carry on with your day and the energy to the support to your bones to help you go with your day with confidence. Specifically for women, the great part about our protein is that it helps from menstruation all the way up till menopause. How? We've added a proprietary blend of antioxidants. Goji berry, millberry, cranberry. This is something which you will not find in any protein powder in the market. These antioxidants help in reducing inflammation. Now you will say, what type of inflammation? Is this the inflammation which is what we have in our muscles? No, that is one type of inflammation. I'm talking about oxidative stress, which is, so the thing is that today, there are something called free radicals which keep accumulating in our body. ये कैसे accumulate होते हैं? This accumulates because of lot of stress which happens through the environment. For example, smoking can lead to stress on our body. Right. Age can lead to stress on our body. Or for example, what's the mental stress that we have also leads to stress on our body. These are free radicals that keep accumulating in our body and leads to inflammation, which is why we have antioxidants to remove these free radicals and to remove the inflammation in our body. This inflammation can be the cause of a lot of issues which women face. For example, polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. PCOS में ovarian inflammation is very very common. Ovarian inflammation reduce करने के लिए we have antioxidants. This can help you manage the symptoms of PCOS. For example, menopause में night hot flashes, night sweats. These are also mood swings. A lot of things are related to inflammation. As you reduce the inflammation, the insulin sensitivity in the body improves and it helps manage a lot of the symptoms for menopause as well. Fertility में antioxidants are known all across the world. So if you have antioxidants, it helps you improve your egg and sperm quality so that you can conceive better. So overall, this product is great. This product is no bloating formulation. We've added adrak, jeera, fennel. These ingredients are something which you find in your daily diet. So nothing which is artificial, all natural, and reduces your bloating. And I have personally consumed liters worth of protein just to make sure that each and every flavor tastes fantastic. Whichever flavor you pick up, we've got 3 flavors here. We've got our coffee, we've got vanilla, and we've got cacao. The chocolate tastes like chocolate milkshake. The vanilla tastes like vanilla milkshake, and my favorite, the coffee. This tastes like cold coffee. One problem with plant protein is that most of them taste horrible, and companies have been selling plant protein तो ऐसा ही होता है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You can have something better, you can choose something better. So choose DM Health's Pure Plant Protein. You're getting the amount of protein that you need in your diet and you're getting it in a very fun and tasty way.
And how to consume it? So
very simple. This is a sachet, which is this is one serving. Okay. You tear it open, you put it in a glass and you put 250 to 300 ml of water. Okay. The ingredients, the directions are there on the back as well. 200 to 350 ml of water, you stir it and you can have it in cold water. That is
in a glass, or I can have it throughout the day?
Throughout the day. You can have it throughout the day as well. We prefer the 2 timings which we recommend is number 1, if in case you are working out, which you should definitely work out, then have it 15 to 20 minutes post your workout. Or how I like to have it is that after my work, when I come back 6:37, I'm tired, I'm waiting, अच्छा चलो आप कुछ खाते हैं, because you're very tired, you want to have those, and that's where the snacks come in. That's where the biscuits come in, that's where the munchies come in. These are where there's a lot of sugar in your diet, a lot of maida in your diet. That is where you can have this. The great part about monk fruit is that it is sweet. So it curbs the sugar cravings without you having sugar. So जो आपको वो जो sugar pang आता है, वो sugar pang नहीं आएगा, but at the same time your body is getting tricked that you're having sugar. Great part is that if you have this 30 to 40 minutes before your dinner, not only are you meeting your protein requirement, but you'll be a little bit fuller, so you'll have a little bit less dinner. Okay. So as doctors say that you should have a king's breakfast and a pauper's dinner. You're having a pauper's dinner so that it's easy for your digestion, and if you're sleeping 1.5 hours after dinner, your body is getting the time to digest what you're having, and you're not having something so full that you're not being able to digest it.
And about the gummy, कि कौन से flavors में available है?
Currently, we're only available in our blackcurrant flavor. This flavor is very nice. Unfortunately, the flavor is so good that you want to have 2 of it, but you shouldn't have 2 of it. So this is the blackcurrant flavor which we currently have. Yes.
And what are the price range of your products?
So our products are priced quite reasonably. Most of our supplements which are having for fertility and pregnancy and male fertility as well are priced between 700 to 1100 rupees for 30 tablets, and our gummies are priced at 800, and our sample sachets are priced at 999, 200 rupees basically, and our 500 gram packet is priced at 70.99.
और मेलेटोनिन वाला था, एंड इसमें क्योंकि लोग नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली द मैन अवॉइड करते हैं कोई भी सप्लीमेंट्स लेने के लिए, स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू इनफर्टिलिटी, एंड क्योंकि वो बिलीव नहीं करते हैं. सो व्हाट विल यू टेल टू दोज पीपल अबाउट योर प्रोडक्ट कि आप कैसे फ़ायदा करेगा आपका प्रोडक्ट उनको?
सो लॉट ऑफ people actually don't want to consume supplements because number one, they feel that supplements are something which are, the problem again is that the word natural has been thrown around in our industry very frequently, to the extent that people consider allopathic as bad. Allopathy is nothing but a mixture of chemicals which are proven, are clinically researched. The ingredients which we use are allopathic, and these formulations are very potent and effective for you to have. So for example, supplementation is not just we don't see it as a dawai, you see it more as a way of life to help you improve your health as you carry on with your life. So for example, we sometimes when I talk to men, they say that Sahil, I don't want to have supplementation. Why can't I just meet it with my diet? Why do I need to have some supplementation? And I don't have problem with my fertility, I'm quite fine, so I don't need to have supplements. And we also have men saying that I've had it for 15 days, I can't see any difference. So this product is not nice for me. Ab kya hai ki number one is that, as I mentioned, we have certain, while we're having a diet, sometimes, for example, it's a very well known fact that folic acid is very important for men, even to improve their sperm count and sperm fertility. Folate is available in spinach, so you can get the one argument is that you have spinach and you will get the amount of folate. But do you know how much spinach do you need to have in a day to have that amount of folic acid so that you're meeting nutritional deficiencies? That is the thing which is the problem, that if our diet was that balanced and all around, and every day we're having what we need to require to fulfill our requirement, then there wasn't a problem. But today we all know it's very difficult. Today we are all having busy lifestyles. Nobody is having that curated set of meals ki acha vitamin D mil gaya, vitamin E mil gaya, vitamin A mil gaya. All of these things are not possible, which is the reason why supplements are there more as a helping hand, so that while you're having a diet, it is not a supplements are not a substitute to a good diet. A good diet is very important. It is a helping hand to a good diet, so that you make sure that you're always at your best with your health. And the point of the amount of timeline with any of our products, supplements are not a jadoo ki chhadi that you have it today and 15 days mein you see the difference. Reason being that today the deficiencies which you have in your body, it time lagta hai for the deficiencies to get removed, and for your body to be at a certain state where you're not nutritional deficient anymore, and that is when your body starts improving your health. It is a slow process, and it is a process which is very, today if I give you a supplement which works immediately, जितना जल्दी काम करेगा उतना ही जल्दी उससे काम हट जाएगा. So you don't want a quick solution, you want a long term solution, and for a long term solution you need to go for something which demands consistency from you. Consistency is required in everything, be it whatever we do. Even if you want to improve our health, if you want to improve our body, consistency is important. Similarly, for improving our health, it is important for us to consistently take our supplements and to be patient with it, you will see an improvement in your energy levels, you will see an improvement in your sperm count as well, but it will take time. With sperm count, the thing is that today men produce millions of sperms every day. But अगर मैं आज लूँ तो ऑप्टिमन खाने से कल मेरा sperm count improve नहीं होगा. Why? आपका तो प्रोडक्ट बहुत इफेक्टिव है. The reason being that today the sperm that you produce today, the process is called spermatogenesis, which takes 72 days for your sperm to mature. So even though you produce the sperm today, the sperm does not get ejaculated till 72 days. Till that time it is in your body. So which means that whatever you have today, it will show the effect 72 days later. The sperm that you're producing, the sperm that you're actually you're ejaculating right now is the sperms which have already been produced 2.5 months in advance. So sort of an investment in the future is what you're making by having supplements.
So for men and women both, what is the minimum time period they should consume it?
The minimum time period would be at least 5 to 6 months. 5 to 6 months is when you should continue to consume these products. Some people conceive in 2 to 3 months, that is great. Some people take 7 to 8 months, it completely depends on their body. And as I mentioned that these are supplements which are not a substitute to treatment, these are helping you with treatment. So a lot of women and men, supposing men might suffer from azoospermia or women might suffer from some other problem, which is the reason why they might require IUI, IVF. These are treatments which might still be required, but these supplements will always improve your chances of fertility. They will never harm your chances of fertility. They will always improve it. Some people might never need a treatment and might just conceive with just supplements. Some people might not. That is how every body is different, and which is why a cookie cutter approach to supplementation is not right and is not healthy for anybody.
Okay, and one last question.
Yes,
What
please.
is the thought behind this launching these products?
Absolutely. So actually, there's a lot of supplements in the market. There's a lot of brands in the market for hair health, for skin health. For hair health, for somebody who's having straight hair, you've got straight shampoo. Wiggly hair, wiggly shampoo. For skin health, we've got dry skin, oily skin, flaked skin. We've got so many types of brands. There is no brand that is a companion to you for gynecological health. For menstruation, PCOS, pregnancy, fertility, menopause, supplements for women, and men's fertility supplements for men. These areas are so under talked about. These are taboo topics in the country. People don't talk about it in the open, which is the reason why these have been so underrepresented in the health and wellness space, which is why we want to come across as a revolution in health and wellness for women and for men to raise awareness about these topics. Talk about the uncomfortable topics. People talk, where did you get your hair done from? But people never ask, where did you get your fertility checked, which is the reason why we want to make these topics more open, because only once we talk about these topics will we get more educated about these topics, and only then can we find the right treatment.
And your social media page, or where can they contact you?
Absolutely. So you can find all of our products on www.damehealth.com. I would say it again, www.damehealth.com, damehealth.com. And you can also find our products on Amazon, Flipkart, Tata 1mg. We ship pan-India to every pin code in India. So you can order products from any corner of India and you will find it within 4 to 5 days, the delivery. And you can also find our products we are working with a lot of local pharmacies to get our products available. It is a slow process. We are already available in Jamshedpur in Manish Pharmacy, and we are working with different partners to get available elsewhere as well.
Thank you.
Perfect.
Perfect.